Hi teacher, I am Stephanie Disla and in this video I am going to read the sentences I listened to the video. I'll try to repeat them as accurately as possible. Number 1, hi, how are ya? Number 2, I'm hungry. 3, didn't you eat? 4, no, did you? 5, yeah, I had a bacon and egg sandwich. 6, will you come with me to the coffee shop? 7, I'll meet you there. 8, what would you like to eat? 9, I don't know, I have to eat something. 10, can you think anything on the menu? Thank you for listening to me. See you.